speed is speed. VMG is velocity made good, which means if we're trying to go over there, and over here we're doing it at 4 knots, but over there we're doing it 3, we need to be over here. Velocity made good is percentage of how good you are. So if we're doing 3.7, 3.8, and we're doing 3.2 velocity made good, we're really good.
Welcome to our Wednesday night regatta. It's going to be our second regatta on the new Catalina 310. I got Admiral Ron, one of the most seasoned sailors in the yacht club, and I've got Amy here. This is my sweet Amy. She's the sweetest sailor in the yacht club, so I think we'll be doing pretty good tonight. We gotta get you guys some life vests here.
I brought one.
Safety first. 3% more, 3% more.
Now, you could be tempted to go below him because he's coming up, okay? But if you go below him, he'll steal your air.
Gotcha.
But if you steer far enough away from him, it won't affect you.
It looks like we're kind of heading towards that way, huh?
Okay, so if I were you, head down quite a bit, quite a bit.
Do you remember when our clubs in the record store was religion, and we were ready to die for them? Still got that appetite for streets and beers, heavy scene and smoke machines, and a band that's dynamite.
Woohoo! We won! Kinda. That's our buoy.
You need to
Good job, Amy.
Because Richard's jumping up and down on this.
All right, 807, 807.
806.36.
Second from last. Not quite our first place finish that we had last week, but we finished nevertheless. Beautiful race day with beautiful friends, and that's what it's all about. Time on the water, right, Sue?
Yep.